Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Bhinde, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department from Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patel College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see the concept of DES algorithm. DES algorithm is a stands for the Data Encryption Standard Algorithm, that is DES. The encryption scheme is based on the data encryption standard, that is a DES, which is used for to encrypt the original message, or we can say the encrypt the plain text to the ciphertext, which is adopted in 1977 by the National Bureau of Standards. Now the National Institutes of Standards and Technology, that is NIST, as a Federal Information Processing Standard 46 as known as. Okay, so in the DS algorithm, there are two inputs in the encryption function we are use. That is, one is a plain text to be encrypted, and second one is the key. In this case, the plain text must be the 64 bits in length and the key is 56 bits in length. This is the complete diagram of a DS, or we can see the architecture of the DS algorithm. So in this case, the plain text must be 64 bits in length and the key is 54 bits in the length. Okay, so in the left side of the figure, we can see that the processing of the plain text proceeds in the three phases. This is one, second, and third phase. Okay, so in the first phase, we are seeing here the 64-bit plain text passes through the initial permutation, that is a IP. It is called as an initial permutation. The function of this initial permutation is to that the rearranges the bits to produces the permuted input. It only rearranges the bits. So this is followed by the phase consisting of 16 rounds of the same function, which involves both the permutation and the substitution functions. Okay, so the output of this in the last 16th round consists of the 64 bits that are function of the input plaintext and the key. So the left and the right half of the output are swapped to produce the pre-output. Here we do the two right halves, okay, of the output and swap to produce the pre-output. So finally, the pre-output is passed through the permutation IP1, which inverse of the initial permutation of the function. Here we do the inverse, whatever we rearranges here, and here we reverse in the initial permutation function to produce a 64-bit ciphertext. Okay, with the exception of the initial and the final permutation, DES has the exact structure of the Feastel cipher. Okay, so the right hand portion of this figure shows the way in which the 56 bit is used. How they generate the 56 bit they shown here. Finally, the key is passed. So finally, the key is passed through the permutation function. Then each of the 16 round here, each of the 16 rounds a sub key, that is Ki. It means K1, K2, K3 to the K16 is produced by the combinations of the left circular shift and the permutation. So the permutation function is the same for each round. Okay, each round the same permutation function is the same for the each round, but the different sub key is produced. Each and every time they produces the different keys because of the repeated shift of the key bits. So we will see the how the key is generated for the DS algorithm. So in the DS we uses the 56 bits. Okay, but as we know the DS there are the 16 rounds. 16 rounds are performed. Hence we required the 16 sub keys are generated. Earlier we have seen this. So we have 64 bits key which goes as an input to the PC1 permutation choice 1 and output we get the 56 bit. Then how they generated this we will see in the next slide. So this is the actual diagram for the key generation of the DES algorithm. Here we have the 64 bits 64 bits key which go as an input to the PC1, that is a permutation choice 1. PC is called as a permutation choice, and the output of get, we will get the 56 bit. But how? Inside of the PC1, 64 bits are divided into 8 parts. What we are doing here? The 64 bits are divided into 8 parts of each. So each of the 8 bit is contained 8 bit. So 8 into 8 is called as a 64 bits, isn't it? So now from each part, from this is the each part, from the each part, last bit is discarded. What we are doing here? The last bit is discarded, that is bit number 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 and 64. Hence we will have now the 8 parts of the 7 bits. Each part contains now the 7 bits, that therefore the 8 into 7 equal to 56 bits we will get here. Okay, from PC1 we will get the 56 bits from here. Now the output of PC1 is 56 bits, which is divided into two parts, Here we are seeing the next slide. The output of PC1 is 56 bits, which is then divided into two parts, that is 28 bits each, which is named as a C0 and D0. Now these weights are shifted and then left shift is each round. Here we are doing the left shift, and how we do the left shift. For example, here is the example, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our C0. So become after shifting the one bit, we will get 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. But how much bit we shifted in each round? So they fixed here, if the round number 1, 2, 9 and 16, the both of the halves shifted by 1 bit. Okay, we shifted the 1 bit in which rounds? That is 1, 2, 9 and 16. And remaining, and in all other rounds, the remaining rounds, whatever they are, for example, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. The two halves are each rotated left by 2 bits. Which rounds? That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. That shifted by the 2 bits, as you seen in the diagram. Okay, now after left shift, we will get C1 and D1, which is goes input here. This C1 and the D1, that is 28 bits. This again go into the PC2, that is a permutation choice 2. In this, the input is 56 bits and output is 48 bit. How? Whatever we did in PC1, similar process we will do in the PC2. And after doing this process, we will get the 48 bits as a key. Then we will get a one sub key, that is a K1 for round 1. Similarly, we do this or complete process for 16 rounds similarly. So we will generate the 16 sub keys are generated. So this is all about the key generation of the DES algorithm. Here we are generate the 16 sub keys, then we shifted, then we PC1 we used, the all performing the operations here. We will get K1, K2 and K3. In each round we will get the new sub key all time. Okay, this is all about the DES algorithm. Thank you.